Hi, this is Jill Swan from Spoontown, the south of England's largest gathering of spoon carvers. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit more about Stelling, Minnis, the village that we're holding the Spoontown this year in. It's a lovely, quiet place, as you can hear. Very small and sleepy. It's got a pub, it's got a shop and a bus stop, and really you don't need much more. Although it has got 125 acres of beautiful, beautiful ancient woodland that you can walk on, although it's privately owned. It's a gorgeous day today, and the entrance to Nola Farm, where the event is going to be held, is just here. It's just that little arrow there with the ivy up the pole. Spoontown. I hope you can come in the summer. It's www.spoontown.co.uk.